Hi, I'm Casey and welcome to CJ Homes TV. Today we're going to take a little sneak peek behind the scenes and see what makes CJ Homes tick. At CJ Homes we have our own in-house design consultant, Kerry, so let's go meet her.
The role of a colour consultant is to advise and make recommendations in the selection of all the colours and finishes that go into a new home. This can include everything from your roof tiles to your bricks, to your front door colour, your garage door colour, and then again onto the inside of your house for your floors, your kitchen and cabinetry finishes, your paint colours, and down to your blinds and even your tapware. CJ Homes has a dedicated colour space here to help with the process. You don't have to go along to a whole list of different suppliers and try and guess whether your carpet matches your tiles, matches your paint colour or your kitchen cabinetry. We can put it all together here with the samples we have available to us in this room so that you can see immediately how everything works and whether you are happy with the finished result.
Now we're going to go take a look at the drafting department. Hey Jode, what are we working on?
Hi Case, currently working on a custom two-storey design, trying to take advantage of the views at the front and the large backyard for the family.
So what do you enjoy about drafting?
It's the creativity of it all. Every job's different, every client's different, their needs are different, so we just make it work, put it all together for them.
Thanks for that, Jodes. I'll go see what Graham's up to. Graham! So, what got you interested in architecture?
Architecture is all about people, Case. I love being able to talk to our clients about their vision and translating their vision into reality.
So Marcia is our Contracts and Construction Administrator. Marcia, what does that involve?
Well, basically I prepare all of the contracts for all of our clients. So the sales consultants can present them to them. They sign the contracts then come into our office and we start the pre-construction process. So once we're on site, we provide them with weekly or fortnightly updates, and they also receive photos fortnightly. They can jump onto our website and view those, and so then at the end of construction we hand them their handover packs, their keys, and I love getting back all of the great responses of all the happy clients.
Hi Nigel, what's your role at CJ Homes?
I'm a new home sales consultant and I help people achieve their dreams by creating a new house.
Joe, what's your role at CJ Homes?
My role is the estimator, which is to order all the materials for the home, check pricing, trying to get the best pricing that I can, and making sure that everything runs smoothly and is on track.
Hey Emily, what are you working on?
Just paperwork for our Saturday display homes.
What do you love about working at CJ Homes?
Everyone's just really friendly and it's a family orientated workplace, so it's just really enjoyable.
From colour consulting right through to drafting, CJ Homes look after the entire building process. Now it's time to head out on location. Here we are in Springfield Lakes at one of our many display homes throughout Queensland. Let's go and have a chat to Andy.
The fixed price contract includes everything. It includes H2 soil types, includes all your retaining, the fencing of the property, turf, landscaping, driveway, letterbox, clothesline, TV antenna. It also includes everything internal to the home, so floor coverings, fly screens and security screens, air conditioning to the main living, fans, downlights, and even a dishwasher. No hidden surprises means that you know exactly what you're going to pay when you sign the contract. So it's not subject to anything, it's not subject to head office approvals. It means that the price we give you is the price you're going to pay. With our fixed price packages, we're fully customisable, we're very flexible with plans and also inclusions. So when you're looking at building, build with peace of mind, build with CJ Homes.
Hi, I'm Stephen O'Hanlon from CJ Homes Central Queensland. My role is to assist customers looking to achieve new home construction around Rockhampton, Gracemere and the Capricorn Coast. We have two display homes in Central Queensland. A Rockhampton display home has a full colour room where you can select from our full range of builders inclusions, colours and products available in our fixed price builders contracts. The Yeppoon display home is designed for coastal living. Located at Sea Haven, the home allows you to experience the latest in timber vinyl flooring, different window options and is designed for low maintenance living on the coast. We welcome you to visit one of our display homes very soon.
Our director Yuri is now going to talk us through the construction process.
All our fixed price contracts include earthworks. Now, not all the blocks are the same. Some blocks have got a little bit higher side cuts or bigger side cuts and cut and fill jobs than other blocks. Example, this one here has got a cut and fill of about 1 metre. That's why we've allowed for all the retaining walls to go around the whole block. Now, some blocks are really flat. Well, you're not going to need your retaining walls, and the earthworks aren't going to be exactly the same price as these ones. Now, this stage here is what we call an underslab. Now, that means that all your plumbing's been running, all your underground electrical's been running, and your communication undergrounds are being done, and the site works has been finished. This is slab stage. As you can see, the concrete has been completed, and this is the second progress claim during the construction process. Frame stage means that your frame is fully completed, like all your wall framing's up, all your trusses are up, all your windows are in, all your doors are in. When you're talking to the people in our office about frame stage, this is what you'd be expecting to see in your house. Now, once the isolation has gone around the house, then it's time for the bricklayers to come in and the plasterers to come in to put the external shell around the house and put the internal walls up. This is what we call a drop edge beam. Now, a drop edge beam is used on houses that we build to boundary and the platform levels between the two joining allotments in 2 different heights. Now, we use this system, which is a core-fill concrete block wall with a slab over the top of it, because it is a lot more structurally sound. This is standard on every one of our houses. Now, we call it the triple termite treatment. We make the perimeter edge beam around the house 100mm wider than the outside of your brickwork. So it leaves like a little mowing strip around the house. Now, that's your first barrier for termites, which is a visual barrier. Now, the physical barrier comes in the form of home guard. Now, the home guard actually gets tucked in underneath your bottom plate of your frames, and it folds down into the course of the brickwork. So that's your physical barrier for the termites. On top of that, we've got fully treated frames. Now, our bottom plates, our top plates, our studs, and our roof trusses are fully treated. So that's a triple treatment of termites. This house has reached enclosed stage. Brickwork has been completed, the fascia gutter's on, the roof is on, the garage door is on. Now, inside, all the plasterboard has been finished. So that means your cornices are done, all your joints are done, and your plasterboard sheets are hanging on the walls and the ceiling. This is completion stage. The house has been completed. Now, the landscaping has been done, the fencing's been done, the driveways are in, and everything else in the contract has been completed. So all you need to do is get the keys, turn the lock, and move in.
This is Dale, our building supervisor. What are you up to?
G'day, Case. Well, I'm just doing a few final checks. We're almost at PC for this home. We have landscaping to go, a few little quality checks inside, and the owner will be ready to come and inspect it.
I hope you enjoyed that little insight. If you want to keep up to date, feel free to subscribe to CJ Homes TV, and remember, build with peace of mind, build with CJ Homes.